Hi everyone, I'm Sam. Today I'll be demonstrating how to install an indoor settled AP, and I'll be using the AP361.
Prepare appropriate tools and protective gear before installation. As the installation position may be high, only experts wearing protective gear can perform installation. Do not insert a paper knife deeply into the box when unpacking to prevent damage to the device inside. You need to prepare a small mounting bracket and plastic expansion screws.